In this video, I will show you how to add font in Canva. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see, on canva.com. Now I've currently got a design loaded through, which is a landing page. Now to go ahead and add a font, it's actually really easy to do. What you're going to want to do first is select the text that you want to change the font for. So let's take this main bit here, for example. Go ahead and give that a click. And at the top, you're going to get a toolbar appear. So what you want to do next is, if you come up to the top left hand corner, you can see the font is currently set to the Spartan. Now this is actually a drop down box, so if you click onto this, what's going to happen is all the fonts are going to appear over here on the left hand side. Now what you can do is use any of Canva's pre-installed fonts, so you can have a look through the list, or if there's a font you're looking for in particular, what you can do is use the search box at the top and type that into here, and that's going to go ahead and search for any related fonts. Now to go ahead and use any of these fonts, all you need to do is simply click onto the font itself, and as you can see, we can go ahead and change the font of the text. Now if you actually want to go ahead and add your own fonts, then what you're going to want to do, I'm just going to get rid of this in the search box. Then I'm just going to go back, and basically from here, from this screen, if you look towards the very bottom, you can see an option here which says upload a font. So what you want to do is click onto this button, and you need to make sure that the file itself is in an OTF or TTF format. Then what you can do is go ahead and upload your file. So once you've opened up your font file, to go ahead and find this in this list, you want to look for brand fonts, which is here. Now I just want to note as well that this is only available in Canva Pro, so you do need Canva Pro to use your own fonts. However, if you don't have Canva Pro, as mentioned, there are a ton of fonts you can already use. But basically, once you've uploaded your fonts, what you would do is come to the brand font section here, click onto this plus icon, and you're going to see all your fonts in this window. When you click this arrow next to fonts, it's going to load up all your fonts here. You can also upload fonts from this screen also, because if you look at fonts, you can see here we got a button which says add new, and what you can do is click onto this, and you can also see the upload a font option is available here too. So same sort of process, you would click onto this and drag and drop your file. Make sure it is an OTF or a TTF file format for this to work in Canva, but what we would do is drag and drop this into here, or alternatively press the choose files button and upload it from your PC. So that's how to go ahead and add font in Canva. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.